Looking to tackle your next painting project like a pro? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned contractor, we've got you covered. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best airless paint sprayers on the market today. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in and find the perfect sprayer for your needs. Item number 5. The Graco Magnum X5 is perfect for DIY homeowners and remodelers tackling larger projects, up to 10 gallons. With fully adjustable pressure control, it sprays unthinned paints and stains at any setting. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets, and it supports up to 75 feet of hose to reach high places with ease. Powered by a 3000 psi electric motor, it includes a metal spray gun, 25 feet hose, power flush adapter, and more, all backed by a 1-year warranty. Item number 4. Upgrade your DIY projects with the Intercraft MaXpray M1. Ideal for up to 10-gallon jobs, this 3300 psi airless sprayer delivers smooth, even finishes, no pre-thinning required. Its 360-degree swivel joint offers precise control, while the flush ease valve makes cleanup fast and easy. With a 25-foot hose, 12-inch tip extension, and included safety goggles, it's designed for comfort and performance. Beginners love the easy setup and pro-level results, backed by a 1-year warranty, extendable to 2 years with simple email registration. Item number 3. The Poxurio KF370095001AB delivers serious power with its 1800-watt motor and 3800 psi pressure, making painting up to 5 times faster. With a 32.8-foot hose and 20-inch extension rod, you can easily reach high or distant areas. No thinning required. Sprays thick coatings like latex, epoxy, and anti-rust paint effortlessly. Simple to operate and perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, including fences, decks, boats, and more. It's a powerful, no-fuss sprayer for fast, professional-looking results. Item number 2. The Do Tool Vertical Airless Sprayer features a 950-watt motor and 3300 psi pressure for fast, efficient coverage. Designed for up to 200 gallons of use per year, it sprays directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets. A 45-foot hose and swivel joint gun offer excellent reach and control. The result? A smooth, brush-free finish with strong adhesion. Perfect for both DIYers and remodelers. It handles interior and exterior projects with ease. Comes with an extension pole and cleaning kit for added convenience. Item number 1. The Poxurio Airless Paint Sprayer packs a 1200W motor with a 1.2-liter minute flow rate, 5 times faster than rollers. It offers dual spray modes using a direct nozzle or 12-inch extension pole. With adjustable pressure up to 3300 psi and a 515 nozzle, it delivers smooth, even finishes. Weighing just 16.5 pounds, it's compact and portable with a built-in 29.5 feet hose rack. Perfect for interiors, exteriors, furniture, and more, this sprayer is your go-to for speed, precision, and ease of use. Which of these airless paint sprayers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.